Jane will represent the sender as they initiates the conversation. Rosalind, May, and Elizabeth will act as the receivers. The group's verbal interaction will represent the channel. Lastly, their responses and actions will show their feedback in the communication process.
Tara, kain after class. Ijay, saan yun? Ijay, means saan? Saan tayo bibili ng food?
Let's buy food guys, then chill tayo sa plaza.
OMG, yes.
Let's eat na lang sa plaza, chill vibes lang.
Girls, wait lang! Sabay ako mag-lunch! Teka! Tara, lutong bahay!
Supay atak na mga tipid tayo man. Tatlo. Hala, di ka gets yun. Tapsila ba yun?
Girl, tatlo is like para makatipid daw.
Sure the fire. Anya, lutong bahay tayo na tan. Isang dapat sila.
Bali-bali man guys, tila lang.
The group of friends speaks different languages, which makes it hard for them to understand each other. They get confused and laugh as they try to figure out what everyone is saying. In the end, they manage to communicate through some translations.
Sure guys, sa lutong bahay tayo makain. May anong problema doon? There's a lot of bayan.
Bayan stay? Ano yun? Bayan? Bayan stay, hindi bayan? Bayan nga! Bayan stay means ulam.
Tama tayo, bayan sila.
Sala talaga to eh. Tara na nga, libre mo ko. Body quill para I have 2 bayans in my dream.
So,
Elizabeth, andito ka pala. Si Jane, ba't ka kasama? Ay nako, sinundo ng boyfriend niya. Pero babalikin yun mamaya. Init pala dito, no? Parang oven.
girl, di ko lang kinaya sobra.
Bes, I thought mag-shoot tayo dito sa plaza. Sobrang init, summer na talaga.
Kasi walang hangin dito. Tignan mo yung araw, oh. Pati sa bench. Ang init. Grabe, feeling ko na kasunan na.
I was so excited pa naman kanina. Ang saya sana, kaso ang init.
Bakit kaya even maging iced tea, maging hot tea?
Should we move somewhere else? Kung saan yung lugar na malamig?
Layo pa, bimog pa. We came here to relax. Pero nakaka-stress naman.
Wake up even sit properly. Sobrang pamawisan ako dito.
This bench is literally burning.
Alam nyo, tara na. Bili na lang tayo food tapos kumain tayo sa harap ng electric fan sa bahay. OMG ko. Sana sa mall na lang tayo kumain. OMG guys, na-remind ako. May project pa tayong due today.
What? Seriously?
Wala, akala ko natapos na.
Hindi pa ba? We need to submit that now.
Yeah, and we need to finish it today, like now. My God, pumunta nga tayo dito para mag-chill. Kaso di natin magawa dahil dyan sa project. I'm so done. Super init. Kailangan na natin tapusin yung scope project natin. Gawin na natin ngayon para matapos na tayo agad.
The friends walk under the hot sun, and the heat starts to make them feel tired and grumpy. What was supposed to be a fun walk turns into a struggle as the heat gets worse.
I'm trying to focus pero ang init pa rin. My phone is overheating.
Same, I can't even think straight.
Can we just go somewhere, Miss Fuller? I can't! My phone is literally slowing down dahil sa init.
Be, this is the worst decision. Kung nag-stay na lang sana tayo sa bahay.
Let's just finish this para matapos na. Uwi na lang tayo after.
Sige. I'm so tired. I can't believe this with my dad.
Same, ayaw ko na rin yung kumain. Napagod na rin ako. Uwi na tayo, best. Hindi ko na kaya yung init.
Please lang, uwi na tayo. Makakahintay ang plaza.
Next time, guys, we should check first the weather before we plan to hang out.
True, para we can enjoy.
Sige na guys. Bye!
Bye!